Welcome to MetSchedule, Metlam Australia's intuitive online solution for managing your project scheduling. Built to streamline your workflow, making it effortless to specify, customise and quote every Metlam Australia product with precision. To find your desired product category, jump onto the Metlam Australia homepage and navigate through our streamlined products menu. Quick, simple and intuitive. From there, explore the sub-navigation tabs to refine your search, or you can use the search bar. Once you've found the product you need, simply click Add to MetSchedule right from the category page. It's that easy. Or, if you prefer, you can dive into the individual product page and simply hit Add to MetSchedule. From there, continue this process until all your products have been added. When you've added all your products, click on the MetSchedule tab. View MetSchedule. This will take you to your project schedule ready for review and customization. MetSchedule provides a simple, user-friendly way to customize your schedule. Begin by entering your project name, then add or remove products as needed. You can also include detailed notes for clarity. If you are adding a new product that contains a non-Metlam Australia product code, MetSchedule will suggest an equivalent once the product code has been entered. Choose Yes to update or No to keep the original specified code. MetSchedule makes it easy to stay organised. Simply add your own personalised product ID codes to keep everything perfectly aligned with your project schedule. Need to reorder your list? MetSchedule includes a convenient drag and drop feature. Once your schedule is finalised, export it as a PDF or Excel file. Your PDF includes all product specifications for easy reference and sharing. When you're ready for pricing, click Submit for quoting and complete your details. The Metlam Australia team will take care of the rest, delivering a tailored quote for your project. Don't forget, you can save your MetSchedule in your customer portal for future access, perfect for revisiting or updating past projects. MetSchedule, streamlining your project specification process with precision, efficiency and ease. Try it today and experience a smarter way to manage your Metlam Australia schedules.